As you can see, I made over $10,000 in the last 7 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, if you can see, as you can see over here, in the last few days, $5,700 US, and over here you can see the results, all these daily results in the sales, right? Now, why I'm showing it is the reason why is because in 2025, if you want to have results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, as a newbie, as a beginner, trying to make it work, maybe you have tried ClickBank before and you haven't made any money, you failed. And it's not your fault. Because if you want these kind of results, as you can see on my screen, right? Those are all done with Google pay-per-click ads. I'm using Google pay-per-click ads, also TikTok ads. So I have different strategies that I'm teaching and showing to my students and clients. But the most important thing is you have to know psychology of ads and knowing exactly what is the right message to the market match so you can actually get these kind of results in 2025, going to 2026, okay? All it takes is, and all you have to do is send traffic, send eyeballs to your affiliate link, to your ClickBank affiliate link, and start actually generating results. Because if you could do it alone, if you could already make money, you would already have made it. You would be watching this video, but you don't. And the reason why is because you don't have the right mentorship, the right guidance, the right strategies, psychology of ads, knowing what emotional states your audience is at when you're running the ads. So all this matters. All this is important if you want results in 2025.